Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we want to be talking about how to connect your business email account to your Gmail. Yes, if you have a website, you probably need a business email, and you need to set it up. So in this video we'll be talking about how to integrate it with your Gmail account in order for you to get it up and running. So I'm in my dashboard, I'm in my Bluehost dashboard. If you are using Bluehost hosting platform, you can follow me, and if you are using any other hosting platform, you can also check out the settings. So in my Bluehost dashboard, all I have to do is to come to my advanced. So this is where I will set up the email which I want to use for the account. So it takes me to the C panel, the control panel. So now that I'm in the control panel, I have to look for the email account. Yes, so all I have to do is to click here. It's actually okay. Once I click on the email account, it shows me my some of the emails that I've created recently and an opportunity to create more. So all you have to do now, if you're starting this newly, you need to click on create a new email account. So now this is your website. So what you have to do is you need to create a new email. Well, actually I want to change this to let's say support at livedailydeals.com. That's my website. So the password, you need to also change this to the password which you remember. So in this video I'll be using let me be sure. Yes, so I've written my password. You have to write it down somewhere also. So once you've written your password, you scroll down. So the storage space, I'm limited to 100 megabytes. If you are paying for a more advanced plan, you can increase that. So you can leave this the same way they are. So create. So I can just maybe save this. So now add. So this account has been created now. This account. So in order for us to link this to our Gmail account, firstly you can go to the manage settings. You need to first confirm, make sure everything is right. So your login is allowed, receiving incoming email is allowed, sending outgoing email is allowed. Okay, all is allowed. So we can go back now. Now go to your Gmail. At the top right corner here, click the settings menu. So once you click the settings, you click your account. I'm sorry, the laptop seems. Yes, so let's see all settings. Yes, so you click your account settings tab. It's loading. Let's give it a little bit of time. Yes, so now we're in the account settings tab. So we need to locate the check mail from other accounts. Check mail from other accounts. Check mail. I think it should be up somewhere. Check mail. Yes, no, sorry. You need to go to account and import first. Then check mail for other accounts. Yes, this, yes, here. Check mail from other accounts. So you need to add you click add a mail account. So you're adding another email account. You click add. So your email address, you put it in here. So I used support at livedailydeals.com. Sorry, .com. So you need to confirm, then you hit next. So once you've clicked next, import emails from my other account. So POP3, yes, you leave this like this, then next. So your username needs to be your email address, the same email address. So you can just copy this and paste it in there. Yes, and your password, the same password which you use, the password which we created in the Bluehost dashboard. So you can, yes, you click always use a secure connection when retrieving email. Label incoming messages as support. Yes, you can leave this, and you can check this. Leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. You can also check that. So the port, yes, we need to change our port to 995. Take note, you need to change your port to 995. So the POP server is mail at livedailydeals.com. We're leaving a copy of the retrieved message on the server. We're using a secure connection, and we're labeling income messages as this. Yes. So add account. That's the next step. You can save this. Your mail account. Sorry, yes, your mail account has been added. Now you can now retrieve me from this account. We like also to be able to send mail as yes. So you need to check this. If you want to send email with this same account and you want to also receive email, so you click yes. If you don't want to receive, you can click no. But whichever one you choose, you can also change it back in the settings later. So next. So your name, enter information about your other email address. Your name and email address will be shown on the mail you send. So I'll be using the daily deals. So treat as an alias. You need to check this. What this means is whichever email address you add to your email account, your Gmail account, sorry, Gmail takes it as your personal Gmail account. So all Gmail added to your all email address added to your Gmail account, Gmail treats it as an alias, like your personal email account. So if you are not running this email on behalf of someone, I would recommend checking this. But if you are running it for someone, you can uncheck that. So because it's my own, I will click next after checking the treat as an alias. So SMTP server, yes, that's your SMTP server, mail.livedailydeals.com. So the port, remember, okay, before we go to the port, your username, I said it earlier, you use the same name you used for the name of your Gmail. So I used mine as support at livedailydeals.com. Yes, and the password which you use. Yes, so secured connection using TLS recommended. I'll also recommend that. And the port which you use, let's see. Let's see, I would recommend going for 465. Yes, 465. See, you know what, actually, once we finished, to be sure that we actually configure this correctly, we will try sending an email to this account. And once we receive the email, that's about 50% assurance that this has been configured correctly. Then we try sending out another email again through this email to another account. So I recommend using 465. You can check, you can ask from your service provider for whoever is whoever can help you integrate this. So you click add account. So it's checking the credentials. So enter and verify the confirmation code. So let's see, it should probably have sent us an email. Yes. So we are up and running. So the confirmation code, the username, yes, SMTP port 465. Where is it? Wait, what was the question asked again? Enter and verify the confirmation. Click on the link in the confirmation email. The link. Oh no, I think this was about 5 minutes ago. Wait, let's see. Sorry. Should probably be here. Okay, maybe we give it a little bit of time. Once the email is in, I'll continue this video. So the email is here now. As you can see, Gmail confirmation, send mail as. So we click on it. So you have requested to add this. So I can either click on the link which is here, but I'll recommend just copying the code. Well, actually, which anyone you do actually work. So I need to paste it in here and verify. So you should probably conversion code incorrect. Sorry. Let's see. Let's copy this again. Sorry. Yes. Boom. So we are in now. So now we're going to test this. I think actually what happened was there was a space when I was inputting the password there. So now, in order for us to verify if the email which we integrated now is actually functioning well. So I'm going to try sending an email to this new account. So I tried sending the message again. So as you can see here, to support@livedailydose.com, I received the mail to the inbox, as you can see. So if we try sending out email to another inbox, let's see from the third email, let's just call this a test also, and let's yes, and let's just say, hey there, sorry. Yes, how was your day? Something like that. So, yes. So as you can see, it has been received by me also to my other Gmail account. So if you check the sent, so I think actually the reason why this didn't go, maybe because it was kind of like something stupid that I sent. So I'm just gonna delete this. So but now you've seen how to integrate your business email account with your Gmail. So I'll see you in the next video. I'll be leaving a link to an article which you can also use to follow up with the steps which I'm showing you in this video to set up how to integrate the business email with your Gmail. So you can also check out the article. The link will be in the description below.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.